Instagram. He does copy things over to Twitter, but he prefers Instagram as a social media. And he'll show you yoga moves that he does in his hotel rooms when he's on tour.